Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Shall we start our class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today actually we have few more services are there to cover. And after that we have project is there. Then after the resume preparation, day-to-day tasks, okay, the kind of errors generally we get, that and complete that workflow. The moment you prepare your resume till you spend 3 to 4 months in your company, whatever things happens in between, everything I will explain that one. So what we'll do today, we'll remaining services we'll discuss from tomorrow onwards. Today we'll have a class for certifications. I told you that in the beginning of my demo class, I'm going to take one separate class for certifications. Okay, so how many certifications are there? How to book this center? What kind of question that they ask? Do's and don'ts and everything about certifications. Okay, that part we are going to discuss tomorrow. Today. Okay, yeah. Let's see. See, AWS certifications are considered as one of the most demanding certifications. Okay, you can search in Google. Definitely, you'll find these certifications in top. I think in my demo also I have shown you, right? That's right, Forbes article. Okay. Now let's try to understand how many certifications do we have. There are so many certifications, guys, but all are not important. Let me show you. Yeah. Okay. So right now we have these many certifications are there. The first level is associate level. Sorry, basic level. Basic level. Second one is associate. Third level is professional. The fourth one is specialty. Okay. Specialty, total 4 levels. Okay. At basic level, the certification name is cloud practitioner. Here, practice. I'm not good at spellings. Whatever. Then at associate level, we have solutions architect. And developer. There used to be one more certification called SysOps administration. Whatever certification which I have shown you, right? In that, just a few days back, they removed one certificate, SysOps administrator. They removed it. At professional level, also we have solutions. Solution architect. And here, DevOps. And specialty, we have security, network, database related. The name, I'll give you exact name. One is machine learning. One is Alexa. I'll tell you what is this Alexa all about. Actually, earlier that used to be big data, but recently just they renamed that one, certification name. Just give me 1 minute, let me get that one. Let me get the exact name. You know, they keep on changing these things. That is common, right? Just 1 minute, let me get that certificate name. I'll show you all these things. I'll explain. Just let me write this name, then I will come to all these things. Okay, so what you can see, right? These are available certifications. At associate level, okay, one is basic, that is cloud practitioner. You can see this is basic. At associate levels, we have solutions architect and developer. Yes, sysops admin has been removed. That is not there, just few days back only. Then at professional level, we have DevOps engineer and solutions architect professional. That is it. At specialty, we have security, machine learning. Yes, those are correct. Yeah, database. Earlier, that name used to be big data. The name changed to database and data and analytics. They removed Alexa also. Database, data analytics. We keep on changing every now and then. Database, data analytics. Database, right? Okay. So right now we have these many certifications out there. These many. Whatever certification which I've shown you right in my demo, let me just show you. Okay. One is solutions architect. You can see. Another one is developer. Third one is sysops administrator, but they removed this certificate. Right now, we don't have this certificate. Okay. Yeah. These many certifications are there. Now, see, guys, the course that we have covered, that is for this basic level. You do it or not doesn't matter. Doesn't make any difference. Why? Because see, they are simple question. What is S3? What is VPC? What simple basic questions. You do it or not, you won't get any priority. That is a kind of, just to get familiarity with the examination pattern and all. That's why It's not at all recommended. Basic cloud practitioner. Do it or not, doesn't make any difference. Simple WH questions. What is this? What is that? What is simple? Okay. So we have covered course content for this level. Associate. That means you can do this one also happily without any issue. Okay. That means happily you can go for these certifications. Earlier I told you, right? There used to be one more sysops admin, but that is not there. They removed it. It's good that they removed because that's comparatively tough. Okay, out of 3, the toughest used to be sysops. Okay. Now, professional, if you want to do this one, you need to clear first this one, solution architect, associate, then you can go with professional. DevOps, yeah, directly you can go with DevOps. DevOps means here actually, it's not outside DevOps that we learn. It is AWS DevOps. That means if you learn normal DevOps course, yes, you can do this one also because the same concepts are pretty same. This is mainly for DevOps. Okay. Actually, in DevOps, we learn Git. But in AWS, equivalent to that one service is called code commit. So that like the equivalent services are there. So that's why it's mainly for DevOps guys. Specialty, yes, security is a network, database, machine learning, data analytics. So straight away you can go for any certificate except this one, solution architect professional. Because if you want to do this one, first you need to crack solution architect associate. Is a prerequisite. Okay, that is the thing. Now, as I said, I have covered this course syllabus for this. That's what I promised in my demo, right? This section. And they are only important. You can see solution architect, associate, cloud practitioner, solution architect, developer, right? Okay, let me just show you. Search in any Forbes or something. Okay. Top IT certifications 2021 Forbes. Okay, yeah, let me open. Last year, AWS used to be in one second or third position. Now, let's see. You can see here, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. Okay. 2021, I think they haven't. 21, I think every year at the, I don't know which month, I think at the end of year they release, might be. Okay, you can see AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. Out of all certificates, we have hundreds of certifications on there. But you see, second occupied by AWS Solution Architect Associate and AWS Cloud Certified Cloud Practitioner. So out of top 10, second and 8th position occupied by AWS only. That too, whatever we covered. Correct? See here, these two. One is this one, another one is this one, these two. So that kind of demand is there for these certifications. You might be thinking, Sai, okay, we covered course syllabus for these 3. Professional, they are not important. No, they are important only, but because of the toughness of that exam, people are not actually writing. In fact, the cost also pretty high. You need to pay a lot of money to write these certifications. Toughness and the cost. That's why people are not showing much interest to go for that certifications. Companies also not demanding. That's why no one is showing the interest to do this professional level. Compared to specialty, these are also comparatively new certifications. Comparatively new. Okay, new. So that's why these are also not so important. I'm not saying that these are not at all important, but not so important because these are some specific, like, data analytics, that is for, the particular team, those who are dealing with analytics and all. Database, this is for database administrators. Network, that is mainly for network administrators. Machine learning, those who are good at ML. That's a separate course, right? Actually, yeah. So for them, security, those who are involved in that, hacking and all, ethical hacking and all these. So these are special for particular person, specializations. Okay, that is so. So that's why these are for you not important. That's the thing. So that's why these are important. That's why we covered course syllabus for these certifications. Now, let's talk about these associate level certifications. Okay. Price, the certification price. that is $150. Each certification price is $150. Okay. The number of questions that you get, let me write properly better. Cost of each certification is $150. Then number of questions that you get for each certification, that is 130 minutes, 65. Yeah, 65 questions you get. Time, I'm talking about associate level, solution architect and developer. Time that you'll get 130 minutes. Okay. For each question, you have 2 minutes. No negative marking. No negative. Happily, you can attempt all questions. All are multiple choices question. Multiple choice questions. Like, they'll give 4 options. Out of that, you have to choose. All are scenario based. That means they won't ask, hey, what is VPC? No, they'll give one scenario. In my company, we are doing this one. We are getting this issue. So what could be the possible solution? That means they give one scenario and they'll ask you to choose the best answer. That's it. And if you fail, then there won't be any, you won't get any refund. Okay. Each certificate cost is $150. If you fail, you can write after 1 week. Okay. 1 week gap. After that only you can rewrite that exam, and you have to pay amount again, $150 again. Okay. You can give any number of times. There is no limit. The more times you give, the more money they get, right? You are paying $150 every now and then, right? That's why there is no limit. And 9 questions. Yeah. So aim for more than or equal to 70%. Definitely will pass. But nowhere they have written. It's not like exactly 70 something. No, it's all about the kind of bell curve. Bell curve means like sometimes, some people they scored 62, they passed. Some people they scored 68, they failed. Depends upon the toughness of that exam and all. So they keep on changing. But aim for more than 70, definitely will pass. And they'll give pass one. They will send an email. Certificate, result you'll get with then and there. Spot result. Spot result. When you click on submit in examination center, then if you see congratulations, that means you passed. If you see better luck next time, that means you failed. Simple. Okay. Then percentage they will send to your email within 1 or 2 days. Percentage, how much percentage you scored. And certificate will be attached to your account after 2 to 3 days. Certificate will be attached to your account. And yeah, validity is 3 years. 3 years. Each certificate. And you can give exam anytime. I mean, you finish your 1 year. If you give exam again, then from that day onwards, 3 years will be valid like that. Okay. These are the things that you must know. Okay. These are the things. Okay. Now, wait. I'll come to your questions. Okay. What is the use of certification? You'll be given priority. So every now and then you need not to prove your knowledge. See, if you have certificate in companies, it's already proved that you have certificate. So your team members, everyone will give priority to you. And AWS itself proved that certified that you have good knowledge. So when you switch company, when you go for any interview, if you have certificate, they will give priority to you. They won't ask many questions. Like, if you don't have certificate, they'll ask 10 questions. If you have certificate, they'll ask just 2 to 3. Because it's already certified. You proved that you already having knowledge. Then why to test again and again? That's all. Okay. And your colleagues, everyone will give a lot of respect. Manager, everyone. You'll get opportunities on site and all. Yeah, you'll get good privileges. Now, how to book this center, examination center? Simple ways. You need to right? AWS .training. This is actual website, AWS.training. Yeah, you can see here, these are AWS.training. Click that. That would be 10,000 plus, 11,000, 10,000 plus 11,000 something. $150 you can, while paying, doing the payment, they will show clear. Convert, $150 to Indian rupees. $150 to INR. So 11,125. Okay. Don't worry. You need not to pay that one. I'll explain that one. So here, what you do? Click here. Okay. Let me sign out so that I can show you again. Yeah. So when you go to AWS.training, then here you click here sign in. See here you have to use Amazon account, not AWS. The account that you use to buy your products, right? Shopping that you do, you have to use that particular account. Okay. Yeah. Or I would recommend you to create a new account, guys. Don't mix this one with the account that you use to buy products. Okay, so better you create new account, Amazon account, not AWS. Okay, sign in, then give your email. Now here, after creating account, you go to profile. If you go to dashboard, go to profile and give all your details, your name and everything. Okay. And go to certifications. Yeah. Here, click here, go to your account. Okay. So your achieved certifications will be displayed over here. Yeah. Your achieved certifications. So see here, recertification is required after every 3 years. Okay, 3 years. So my certificates, when they are going to get expired, solution architect developers results. December 31st, they are going to get expired. Okay, December 31st. So after that, I have to rewrite these exams. Okay, so this is October, right? November, December, 2 more months are there. After that, I will write exam. Okay. Okay, if you want to book any cert, if you want to write certifications, and click here, manage PS exams. Click here. Then, yeah, these are the certificates. Here for the first section, you can see these are the certificates. Now, which one you want to go with? I would like to go with the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. If you want to get the details, just click here. See, when you click here, it will show all details about that certificate. Okay, 130 minutes. Okay. And when you go to center, what are the things you need to carry? That's okay. You need not to carry these many things. I'll tell you what are the things that you need to carry. They will confuse you like anything. What do you do? See, just click here, schedule. Yeah. And click here, continue. So due to COVID and all, recently they have given one option that you can by sitting your home, you can write this exam. Okay, so you can do it. But that won't be so easy. Don't think that, we can do everything. No. So you have to enable your webcam. And before you start, that should be a closed room. And you should show your entire room, premises and all, everything in a webcam. Okay, you have to turn your laptop around 360 degrees. You have to show that one too, that, the guy who is monitoring you. Okay, so same thing, whether you do it in your house or do it in exam center, same things will be same. I would recommend you go with test center so that you won't be any issues, network issues, nothing, everything they will take care, right? That's why. So I have given in my test center only. Now continue. Okay, so choose a language, which one you want. If you are good at other languages, then you can go with other languages also. English, see 130 minutes, the duration. Okay. Now, where do you want to write this exam? I would like to assume that right now I'm in Pune. Suppose you want to write this exam where in Hyderabad. Assume, just take an example. Type here location, which location? Okay. What is this country, right? Okay. Here, India. City. Let's take Hyderabad. Then which month? That too. See here you give exact location. So suppose your area, for example, Amirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, which month? Yeah, I would like to go with October. Okay, click here, search exam centers. Okay, now here, sorry, you can see here. One center is there, that is science house here. From Amirpet, 0.6 miles. And one more. You can see these are address. Okay, Panchagutta Center and Madhapur. You can see nearest centers. Okay. Now click here. Suppose I'm good with the first one. Then click here. We selected Amirpet only, right? Yeah, Napurna block. Okay, fine. See, today is 4th, right? Okay, 5th. Selected it. Okay. 5th. Okay. So tomorrow, if you want to write exam, yes, 5th is already selected, or you can choose any other date. That's up to you. Okay, 10 a.m. 2 slots are there. One is 10 a.m. and the one is 2 p.m. Okay, so I'm good with 2 p.m. So click that 2 p.m. And continue. Okay, these are your address. Examination center address. You have to go to that location. So and so date, so and so time. The duration is 30 minutes and continue. That's it. Booking created successfully, right? Then automatically it will redirect you to the payment page. Oh my God. Now they are including a tax also. 27. So total $177. Anyways, you need not to pay, guys. I'll tell you. $177 to INR. So 13,032, 132, 13,000 plus. Okay, 13,000 plus. Yeah, any coupons if you have, I don't know from where we'll get these coupons and all. I never tried this one. Okay, so sometimes we get ads and all, right? Okay, that's okay. I'm not sure. See, acknowledgement. Acknowledge this one and these two. And click on pay now. When you click here, then it will take you to the payment page. Continue. Okay. Now you enter your card details, everything. That's it. Click here, I'm not robot, and continue. You give your all details, and that's it. Over. Okay, that is how you book this examination center. When you book, you'll get one PDF or one document. Just you need to take the printout of that one. And when you go to examination center, you need to carry your one ID proof, one address proof, original. Okay, one ID means ID. You can have your Aadhaar card, address proof. Any Aadhaar card address also will be there, right? Okay, so anyways, yeah, just carry your proofs, one or two. Okay, that's it. You go to that center, everything will be done. And yeah, I'll tell you how you get emails sent out. Let me show you my own emails. No faculty shows their email files. Okay. In fact, finally, also I will show my emails. How you get offer letter, how they send, pay, how you need to send your documents and all. Everything I'm going to show you my own things. Okay. How you get call letter, how job description and all, how they mention. Everything I'll show you. Okay, by showing my emails. I know because I know most of you are from non-IT, some of you are from. So you should know how things work. One second, let me open my email. Just 1 minute, guys. Sure. Okay. I hope you can see my emails. Okay, so you'll get something like this. For example, see, suppose I have finished AWS certified developer exam. You can see you'll get like this. You'll get, you can see you have completed your AWS exam. I told you, right, you need not wait for the result. When you click on submit in, while giving exam, there itself they will show the result. Okay. See, you have multiple choices, right? When you select any option, then till you finish that time, you will get an option to change. You can change any number of times. So completely user friendly. It's not like, you selected A. It's not like you are not getting option to change. No, you can change anytime. Okay. Till you finish your exam, you can do whatever you want. Okay. That flexibility you will get anyways. So here you will get mail after 1 day, after you finish. So hello, Sai. Congratulations, you have successfully completed. These you need not wait for this mail, because when you click on submit there in the examination center itself will come to. Then you can see here, please wait for 5 to 7 days for the exam results to be populated in your certificate account. They're asking to wait for 5 to 7 days, but within 2 to 3 days itself you will get. Okay, so they'll mention the percentage that you scored, how much percentage you scored. And they'll mention, they categorized all questions into different things, like debugging. Means they have given some problems. They have asked, which one would be the most, suitable answer. Like those kind of questions. Security related things, like fundamentals, means some basic questions. Like, I don't know where I did mistake. Somewhere I got 87. They will never tell you that, you have attempted this question wrongly. No, they will never tell you. Okay. See, you need not score 95, 96. No. Even whether you pass or fail, because nowhere they mention percentage. Nowhere. Nowhere they mention percentage on your certificate. See here. Do you find anywhere percentage here? No, whether you passed or failed, that's it. So you need not worry about that good percentage and all. No need. Okay, 96, that not required actually. Okay, but aim for the So 80, 75, 80. So that definitely will pass. Okay. Yeah, that is how you get emails. Now, yeah, what kind of question that they ask? And one more thing I see here, you don't write certification exams now. Because if you want to do it now, you need to pay 13,000. I don't even recommend that. So what you do to get a job, certificates are not mandatory to get a job. Even if you have certificate, still we ask questions. You'll get some more questions. That's okay. If you know the answer, let them ask any number of questions. First, you get a job first. Then once you get a job, then you go inside company, right? Then you write these exams so that money will be given by company. Company will give that fee, examination fee for you. You need not to spend from your pocket. What actually happens? After getting job, you write the certificates with your money. Then company will reimburse that money back to you. That will reimburse. That happened to me for everyone. That's why generally people, they do certificates from company side. That is what I recommend. You don't write before job. After getting job, then you write so that company will pay that money. Okay. You might be thinking, Sai, why company is paying? Certificates are with me. Those are mine. Even if I switch my company, certificates will be with me only tomorrow. So why company is paying money? Why? Because see, actually that is company for the benefit of company only. You know how companies, they get projects. Suppose I am a client. I want to give project to one company. In front of me, there are two companies. One is A, one is B. How would I know that which company can do better, can finish my project, with higher quality? On what basis I'll come to know if I'm a client? So I verify how many number of certified people guys are there in your company. In company A, 30 AWS certified people are there. In company B, 10 certified people are there. Okay. In company C, we don't have any certified guys. Then blindly I go for this one because it's already AWS already certified that yes, 30 people are there certified, mean they have good knowledge. That too, approved by official AWS company. So on that basis, I give my project. That means if company holds more number of certified people, they'll get more projects. That means more money. That's why they encourage you to go for certification. Company, they encourage you always, hey, you go, you write the certification. Managers, and they encourage you, say you take time, you prepare for certification, you write certification exam. And they will pay money, everything, because that's for their benefit only, right? Tomorrow, if you switch your company, certificate will be with you only. Okay, will be with you only. But still, company, they encourage you to go for these things. Understood? Okay, so what kind of question that they ask? What kind of question that they ask? Let me show you how PPT for that. I'll be sharing these questions also. One second. Okay. The kind of questions that they are asking. Guys, these are kind of questions, not exactly exam questions. These kind of questions that you can expect. Because we don't know, right, what question that they ask, but the pattern, what kind of format that they follow. So these kind of questions that you can expect. Out of 65 questions, some questions will be very, very easy with one single line question, one word answer. Some questions will be big lengthy questions. Answer also, they give some big things. To read itself, it takes time. So some are easy, some are difficult. You choose any exam, any competitive exam, you won't get all difficult questions. Some question will be very easy, some question will be difficult. That is all. Okay, these questions I have taken from some websites, some other websites like these labs and some other websites from Google and all. I mean, it's not focused on from where we got. So what kind of pattern that they're following? Because that questions we won't get outside. After giving exam in examination center, if you want that question paper and all, no, you can't get. That too, that's online, right? Digital, right? So they won't. In fact, if you remember, that's good. If you don't, so you can't get outside it. That's how I've taken some sample questions from other websites. So these kind of questions that you can expect. Okay. So yeah, now what I want you to do, I want you to read this question and I want you to answer. Okay, so I'll wait for your response. Okay, take some time, some 2 to 3 minutes. Read this question and do let me know what is the answer. Okay, so your time starts now.
D,
What is the answer?
D,
D.
A and D.
Yes, one more thing. What is this? How many answers you have to choose?
Oh, okay.
Two. Okay,
A and D,
you should not miss this one. Yeah. A and B?
A and D.
Okay. Others?
D.
D. Only D. One more, right? I want to one more.
A and B.
A and B. Okay, fine. Let me explain.
It is A and
What? Oh, just one minute. Someone is badly calling me continuously. Just 1 minute.
Sir, A and E.
Sai is D and E, not A. D and E.
D and D side, D and D.
Guys, Sai is on the call, okay?
Okay, that guy, just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Someone is calling badly, 7th time, 8th time. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? Yeah, okay, guys. Fine. See, this is a simple question that this is from VPC. I mean EC2 and VPC. Correct or not? See, guys, this is a VPC EC2 related question. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But see the kind of question that they are asking. This is a best example for scenario based question. This is, say they have given simple scenario. Let me explain this one. Let me explain. Be in mute. When you read any question, I want you to draw one diagram. That is important. Otherwise, you can't remember the question. I'll tell you what actually happens. You read your entire question. When you read first 2 answers, you will forget the question. When you read last 3 answers, you will forget question and these 2. Again, loop repeats. That loop will go continuously. So for each question carries 2 minutes. You'll spend 10 minutes here. And that means you don't have much time to answer other questions. Then pressure will build up slowly. Then even though if you know answer for some questions, finally you'll end up with giving wrong answers and you'll fail. So that is what actually happens when people, they go for competitive exams. Correct or not, guys? Correct or not? That is what actually happens.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Even though they know answer,
Yes, sir.
but here, due to time constraints, people are getting failed. So remember one thing, if you want to crack any competitive exam, it is not just about the knowledge. It's all about time management. That is very, very important. You should have knowledge, and equally important is time management. You have to manage time properly. Otherwise, you can't do it, guys. Very, very important. This one. Okay, time management is too important. That's why, in my company, one of my managers is AWS architect, but he failed. Every time he give exam, he failed in that exam. Okay. Why? Because, time management. He get, if in less time, in pressurized conditions, some people, they can't take good decisions. Okay. That's the problem with this. So that's it. So what I want you to do, when you draw a diagram, it would be easy to remember the things. Simple. You have an application running. Some people, they think, hey, what is that application? How big that is? Unnecessary things, to confuse you, they give a lot of unnecessary nonsense stuff. First, you have to eliminate that stuff. Could be any application running in one region. It's a region name. Again, don't remember the region name. US West could be any region. Requiring 6 EC2 instances running at all times. They want 6 instances should be running at all times. That's what they said. Simple. That's it. You have drawn this diagram, right? You drew this diagram. That's it. You need not to read this one again and again. That's it. Over. With the 3 availability zones, 2A, 2B, 2C. Again, don't remember these names. People, again, they try to remember the things. No, don't do that. 3 availability zones are there. A, B, C. That's it. Till here it is over. You need not to read again. Okay. Summary of first 2 lines is this one. Which of the following deployments provides fault tolerance if an availability zone becomes unavailable? So which of the following deployments provides fault tolerance? Fault tolerance means if you lose one, another one should be there. That's the fault tolerance, right? If you lose one, standby should be there. That's what fault tolerance. So which of the following deployments provides fault tolerance if an availability zone? Means if any availability zone fails, which of the deployments provide fault tolerance? Choose 2 answers. These are also very, very important. Very, very important. Choose 2. So you have to select 2. So we have to adjust 6 instances in 3 availability zones. Even if you lose any availability zone, still you should have 6 always. You see, 6 instances running at all times. So how you are going to adjust these in availability zones? So that even if you lose one availability zone, still you should have 6 always running. Okay, let's go with answers. First one, 2 instances in availability zone A. Again, don't remember these things. Okay, 2 here, 2 in availability zone B, 2 in C, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. That's fine. But what if I lose any availability zone? That means if I lose A, anyone, then you'll end up with only 2 plus 2, 4. But I want 6 running at all time. That's why first one is wrong. What about second one? 3 in 1A, 3 in 1B, no in C, 0. So if I lose C, availability is on C, okay, A plus B, 3 plus 3, 6, that is fine. But what if you lose A or what if you lose B? You may choose any availability zone, right? So that's why it is also wrong. What if I lose A? Then 3 plus 0, 3 only. That's all. Maybe partially correct. Partially means if you lose C, then it would be correct. But we don't know, right? Whether we may lose A or B also, right? That's right. Okay, 4 instances in A, 2 in B, 2 in C. So here if I lose either B or C, then I don't have any problem. But what if I lose A? We may lose anyone, right? That's it. It is also partially correct, but not correct exactly. That's it, over. They ask you to choose 2. You end up with only 2. These 2 are correct. You don't even need to read these answers. That's why you save your time, right? That's it, simple. Okay, let's see what they mention in last. 6 in A, 6 in B, 0. So they want 6 EC2 minimum. So you choose any one, you'll end up with 6. In fact, more it's fine, but it should not less than 6. If you lose C, A plus B, 12. Yeah, more than 6, that's fine. If you lose B, A plus C, 6. If you lose A, B plus C, 6. That's why it is correct. And what's the fine one? 3 in A, 3 in B, 3 in C. 3, 3, 3. So you lose any one, remaining B plus C is 6. So that's why this is the best example for scenario based question. Now you understood, right? What is scenario-based question, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
these,
Yes,
these,
sir.
these kind of question that they ask. Some question you'll get easily, like, one slide, out of 65 questions. So around 30 you'll get the scenario based, 30 you'll get, some one line question, one line answer. Yeah. So read this one. It's very easy, simple, easy question, straightforward. Do let me know what is the answer.
Amazon S3.
S3.
Yeah, S3.
Version.
Amazon S.
S3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. See, solution architect is developing a document sharing applications. Don't worry, what is the document? What are the applications? Nothing, could be anything. They need a storage layer. So the entire summary of this first line is, I want a storage. The storage should provide. One second.
Yeah.
One second. The storage should provide automatic support for versioning. Yes, I want versioning. So that we can easily roll back. Yeah, one of the versioning features is we can roll back. What are the features of versioning? We can roll back. That means you can go back to older versions. That's what rollback. One more feature is you can recover. You can recover deleted one, right, to a previous version, or recover deleted account. So these are the features of versioning, right? These two already we covered in S3, and they are asking, okay, which service will meet these above requirements? See, that S3 only, right? In that S3 only we covered these. EBS that we attach to EC2, but there we don't have any versioning and all, right? EFS, no, in that, we don't have this kind of support, versioning and all. Gateway and all, don't worry, that's a pretty old service. Gateway layer and all, these, you don't worry. But here, right answer, S3, that's it, simple. These kind of questions. Let me show you some questions. I'll see how I have around some 30, around 28, 27 questions around. And I'll show some 3 to 4. Then I'll share this one so that you can practice by yourself. After that, 1 or 2 days, I'll share answers also. Okay, now read this question and do let me know what is the answer. Doubts I'll clarify at the end. First, try to answer these questions.
It's B. The file 3 and 2.
B.
B, sir.
B. Okay, so let's try to understand what they're saying here. A solution architect is designing a highly scalable system to track the records. Again, don't think what is that record and all. No, these are the words they give to confuse you. Okay, you should know what are the things that you have to eliminate. Okay, you should pick the core thing. These records, see, they are designing some highly scalable system. Records could be anything. These records must remain available for immediate download. Okay, there are some records. Okay, so they want to keep in some storage, and after keeping that, they should be able to download immediately. Immediate download for up to next to 3 months. For first to 3 months, whenever they want, they should be able to download immediately, and then must be deleted automatically. Must be deleted means that's what meaning is automatically only, right? So first 3 months, those should be available for immediate download, then automatically those should be deleted. That's what life cycle management, correct or not? We already discussed this one. So life cycle management. So after that, automatically that will be deleted. The final one, expiration also we configured, right? Yeah, life cycle. First 3 months I keep as S3 standard so that we can download immediately. Immediate availability is it. Then directly I'll bypass all remaining stages. Finally, I'll configure expiration. Right? Okay, fine. So one thing is pretty sure that it is life cycle management. That life cycle management we covered where? See here, life cycle policy in S3, correct or not? You can see EBS, we don't have that one. EFS also we don't have. In lifecycle management, we included S3 and Glacier, correct? Glacier and Glacier Deep Archive. So answer could be one in these two. Okay. So which one is correct, guys? Whether it's B or C, because in life cycle management
B.
we included glacier also, glacier deep archive also.
Yeah, but the glacier is taking so much time for downloading the.
It
Yeah,
will take 2 to 3
right.
hours. Sir.
Absolutely correct. Yes, that is the main point. Here, life cycle management in the glacier also is there, but they mention clearly that immediate download. If you keep it in glacier, retrieval period is slow, right? You need to wait for 2 to 5 hours, and in 12 hours glacier deep archive. So I want download immediately. That's why it is S3. Okay, that kind of question they ask. I mean, these are kind of simple. In certification, some in scenario also, some are easy, some are difficult, like that. So we can't expect what kind of. Let me. Okay. One second. Let me show you a few more, so that I will share this one so that you can practice by yourself. Just one. Yeah, read this one. Oh, sorry, you are in mute. Yeah, read and let me know.
C side.
It's a
D. Sir, C.
C.
Mhm.
C.
Okay. Fine, let me read this one. A database being hosted using RDS. Okay, they are using RDS service. This database is to be made into a production database and is required to have high availability. So high availability in RDS, which one? Which one? By listening, by seeing that word, you should understand. High availability means if you lose one, other one should be readily available. Correct? That's what high availability, right? So we talked about multi-AZ. That is what high availability option in RDS, right? That you should know. That's what. Which of the following can be easily achieved? This one. Okay, so use multi-AZ for RDS, something they are giving. Okay, this could be correct. Multi-AZ, yeah, that's what. Use read replica. No, read replica is not for high availability, right? If you lose one database, you lose all read replicas. Okay, that's not for high availability. Use multi-AZ, yeah, again, that's could be correct. Again, use read replica. Read replica is not for high availability. Okay, out of A and C, which one is correct? Okay, you tell me, guys, which one is
C.
correct?
C. C.
Because it is availability.
C or A?
C. C.
Sir, A is false because it is saying that in another region.
Yeah, right,
It
correct.
will
See,
take time to restore.
correct. What is this multi-AZ? Multi-availability zone, correct or not? Availability zone. So another database, secondary database should be created in another availability zone, not in the region. That time I explained why not in other region also. If it is in another region, then you can't have synchronous replication rate. That's why it is multiple other region, other availability zone, and also not in the same availability zone. It should not be in same availability zone. It should not be in another region. It should be in another availability zone. That is so. So yeah, these kind of questions that they ask. Let me show you one question on network also. VPC. Yeah, okay. Tell me, what is this?
Sir, first option.
B, sir.
This one?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, option A.
First one. A option.
Option?
A. Internet gateway is providing the internet and
Okay. Let me
Could be option D also, right? Because subnet
Okay.
mask.
If
See,
they
D-
say
D-
private
D
subnet,
answer.
okay,
then
fine.
net gateway we can take.
That's okay. That's okay. For be in mute, I'll explain. Your plan on creating VPC from scratch, yeah, that already we did, and launching E3 instances in subnet. Okay, that is also fine. What should be done to ensure that E3 instances are accessible from internet? Okay, they're talking about VPC, they're talking about subnets, and instances should be accessible from internet. That means you should keep them in public subnet, public and private. And you know, right? Public means you have internet gateway, you have root table, this setup that already we did. Okay, fine. So this you should remember, this setup. Okay. What they're saying, in order to access them from internet, what are the things that you need to do? Attach an internet gateway to VPC. Yeah, that is fine. Internet gateway, we attach to VPC and route this IP in root table. Okay, in root table, I think we have given this IP only, right? That's what. Now, whenever I told you, right, wherever internet word is coming, we have to give this IP. Yeah, this seems correct. But let's read other also. Attach NAT gateway to VPC. Guys, can you attach NAT to VPC? No. You create NAT inside public subnet. You can't attach to VPC. That's why it is wrong. Attach NAT gateway to VPC. Again, same problem. Again, this is not correct. Okay. Attach internet gateway to VPC. Yeah, seems good. And add a route for, okay, problem with the IP address here. So do you have this kind of IP? No, I mean, I told you, we have given this one, right? Wherever internet word is coming, we have to give this IP, not this one. So that's why answer is the first one. That is so these kind of questions that they ask. So see a total 28 slides are there. How? Yeah, 2 to 28. I mean total 27 slides are there. I'll be sharing all those things today. You just read all questions and try to answer. These are the kind of questions that they ask. Don't expect the same questions. Definitely they'll change, but these are pattern. Some are easy, some are difficult, like. And yeah, so after this, I have answers from 30 onward. These are answers. Answers I'll be sharing in next 1 or 2 days. Okay, once you practice all questions, then I will share answers. Okay, so these kind of questions that they ask. And one more thing, at the end of class, I will explain. Final day, if you want to crack certifications, what are the extra content that you need to refer, and from where you will get. Okay, that I'll be explaining. That I'll show you what are things you need to refer to crack certifications easily. Okay, that will help you. That I'll be explaining at the end of final day. Okay, from what are the things that you need to refer in. Okay. Yeah. So any doubts from anyone?
Yes, I actually have to ask you. We can use S3 as the SFTP server.
SFTP, simple file transfer protocol.
Yeah. Use S3 bucket. We can create one S3 bucket and share with the client.
Share.
We can,
yeah, you can share.
Upload and download the file.
Very well. You can keep it in S3 and you can use S3 bucket access. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. No problem. Okay. Any more doubts? You understood that certification part, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I mean, why I'm stressing this one? No faculty shows their email. They never show. I mean, no one, even if you are, tomorrow you also don't want to show your emails to others. So, but why I've shown you? Because, you should know how things work, just how they send email, how you'll get things. So that it would be easy for you to attend all these things. And in fact, in last class, I'll be showing this one, when you upload your resume in portals, how you get reply. Okay, how you need to send reply. And again, what communication happens through mails and all, everything I'll show you by opening my mail so that you can understand things easily. Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts from anyone?
Sai, this is why. How to enable a region if I am not able to accessing other region except Mumbai?
Yeah, in that case, yeah, that's a problem with a few accounts. What you need to do, you need to go to AWS, right? So you'll get support, right? There you raise a ticket, just send a message that I am unable to access other regions. Please be in mute. Please enable other regions also. Okay, so that they will enable. Okay.
Okay.
Any more doubts?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, there is a 4-hour project you are saying. You will
Yeah.
keep it on weekdays or at weekend only?
Yeah, that will be on weekends, as some of you requested. That will be on next Saturday. Okay, next Saturday. I'll let you know the timing. Saturday or Sunday, I'll let you know the timing. Okay. Yeah, I'll let you know. You know, in tomorrow or after tomorrow, I'll let you know.
And you are sharing these videos on our Google Drive. So it will be like lifetime on our drive, or it will be deleted?
That will be for 1 year. But that's okay, guys. Not exactly. Earlier, that will be 6 months. But upon student request, we extend it to 1 year. But that's okay. If you want a more extension, just contact us. We'll increase the limit. It's not about exactly how many days. You know, at the end of the day, you should get a job. That is important.
Yeah.
Are you sharing some interview questions? I mean, how do we prepare?
Which one?
I mean, kind of interview questions. What are the important?
Wait. That's still time is there. Today, certification, right? That's why I explained on certification part. What kind of interview question, that everything that anyways I'm going to explain clearly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like any dumps or?
Yeah, that one. That we'll talk about that one later on. The interview questions I haven't even touched. We'll do that because we have few more services are there, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Hello, Sai.
Yes, please.
Scenario-based questions. How many they will ask? Do you have any idea?
That we can't say, actually. They keep on. See, when I have an exam, that time I did not get 65 questions. That time I got only 55 questions, and 120 minutes they have given. Now they increase the number of questions. They increase the time also. So that they keep on changing. Earlier, you know, when I have an exam, that time I did not pay any tax and all. You know, for that time they were not collecting this tax, only $150. But nowadays they are adding that, you know, this GST and all. So that's what they keep on changing every now and then. We can't say, but you can expect at least half. Okay, 30 around.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, from where we can get coupons or any discount?
Coupons, I don't know. I never tried that one because I don't know from where we get coupons and all. I never tried. I'll verify and let you know that one.
Okay, so I'm working in TCS, so they will reimburse.
Yeah, very well, very well. That's why. That's why we need not worry about coupons because company is going to pay the money, right? That's why.
Then no problem.
So project will be this weekend or next week?
This weekend, this coming weekend.
Yeah.
सही आपको कोई ऐसे मतलब प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम ले सकते हो क्या हमारा फॉर एज अ डेमो लाइक
I'll tell you when I talk about that real time, the final class, that time you'll understand everything. Don't worry. That there you'll understand. It's special exam is not required. Okay, but I'll give you what kind of question that they ask everything. I'll tell you. Okay.
Fine.
Hello, sir. After the completion of project itself, we will be having one-on-one discussion.
Yeah, after the final day, while preparing resume, I'll talk to everyone. After explaining everything, I'll talk to one, so that you know you will tell, right, you know, Sai, I'm from this background, I have these many years of experience, how to mention and all. That time I'll get you. Okay, you mentioned like this, like that. That will have one-to-one discussion. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys, for today. Thank you, everyone. See you in tomorrow's class. Okay, same time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.